Leo and Charlotte are hanging out. And Charlotte loves it. Say hey, babe. Yeah. Say hi. Ah. Say hi, Leo. Say kitty cat. Yeah. What's he doing? Oh, he's coming around this side. I know. Look at him. Good boy, dude. Good boy. What's he doing? Yeah. Yeah. What else? Come get it. Look at your stacks. Look. Oh, look at Leo. Oh, he wants to hang out. Yes. Are you gonna say hi to him? Yeah? You reach for your ball. You gonna reach for your ball? Try to get your cup. Oh, almost. All right, baby. We'll see you later. Mwah. Bye-bye. Bye.